Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15. In this video I'll show you how to hide apps. In order to hide apps on the smartphone, firstly find Moto Secure app. Go to Secure folder, unlock it with your password, and tap plus in the bottom right corner. Select Add apps, and now select app you would like to lock. Confirm, and it's done. To unlock the app, tap and hold on it and select remove. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.